हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम वेब एंड इंटरनेट टेक्नोलॉजी के अंदर यूनिट 3 का ट्यूटोरियल करते हैं। उसके अंदर है इंट्रोडक्शन टू स्क्रिप्टिंग लैंग्वेज पाइथन। इसके अंदर जो लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव है वो है टू अंडरस्टैंड पाइथन एंड इट्स रियल वर्ल्ड एप्लीकेशंस, टू वर्क विद पाइथन डेटा टाइप एंड कंट्रोल स्ट्रक्चर, टू यूज pointer to use array and perform iterations, to define and use functions including recursion, global variables, and final to manipulate data structures like string, tuples, list, dictionaries, and sets also. Introduction to Python. Python is a high level interpreted object oriented scripting language. Key features: simple readable syntax, large standard library, support multiple paradigms, dynamically typed, and platform independent. Application of Python: web development using Django Flask, data science using Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, in machine learning, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, automation, system scripts, web scrapers, in cybersecurity using pen testing scripts, in database access using SQL, Alchemy, and SQLite. Python data type: built-in data type int, float, string, boolean, and collection types list, tuple, set, dictionary. For example, x equal 10, it means initialization value x 10, but it in the integer also. This show y is a floating data type. Initialization and type according to this value. Next, z, string type and initialization in double quote hello. Is value is valid boolean type. Branching and control structures: conditional, like if, elif, else. In loops, for loop, while loop. How can we use? For example, for I in range 5, print I. While I less than 5, print I, and then increment. What is I? Here should some initialization also. Should be in a initialization in this way. Okay. Next, array and input. Input method is used for getting something from user, and by default take string type value, like age variable. Age variable can store integer type value, so we have to convert into int using int. Array list, in this way, in square bracket we can initialize, and by index we can print. Iteration: for loop, while loop. Functions and scoping. In Python, we can declare a function using this keyword definition def, name of the function. But here we will not use curly braces. Only we use indent. indent. Here start loop, and inside of this one is show. This is the body of the this part is the body of the loop. Same here, this is the inside of this area, and we use indent, not curly braces here. We are not using this one. Okay, we are using only indent. Scope of the variable. If we are using a variable inside the function, that will be local. If we are using outside of the function, like here is x declaration 10, and in this way we can use globally this variable outside of the function, and we are overwriting here x equal 10 we can use. Okay, so this variable is global. This variable, if inside loop, we can say that will be local variable. Recursion. If a function call self inside, this is the function from here to here is the calling of the function self calling. This is called recursion. Okay. Data structure in Python. There are different data types like string, tuples, list, dictionaries, sets. String like initialization in double quote, and we can get the value by index, and slicing from 1 to 4. Uppercase if we want to change, in this way our method we can use. Next, tuple in brackets we use. List in square bracket we can initialization, and dictionary key and value both we can use in curly braces. MCV questions we will do, like function definition, this one, which one is no data structure, and how can we learn short questions, we will see in details. How can we differentiate between list and tuple factorial using recursion. So for best score tips, understand concepts, especially data types, loops, practice coding example, attempt 25 MCQ, write clean code with indentation. We must learn about indentation in Python. Python indentation plays very important role. Take place of curly braces. Comment your code and try run it. Useful resources, you can take the benefit of these resources. Now, next we move in details. Some MCQ we will cover. We have learned about this data type, we have learned branching control, if condition colon, then this block of this if, next another condition elif colon, then another, next else, then else block, loop, for loop, while loop. In this way we can use, this is the while loop, initialization, condition, then increment. Same in other languages, but here is the thing, indentation. Okay, array, list through, this is the array variable, and we want to access in this way, marks in mark, print mark. In using while we can print the list like I0 while I less than len marks, length of the marks. Next print marks I is plus in this function is scoping we have done. Local variable, this one is the global variable and local in the function. Okay, we are using here name is local variable. Data structure, string data type, index, slicing method. With the string we can use tuple, immutable collections. What is immutable? First understand what tuple. Tuple, like if we want to initialize using bracket, then print index. List mutable. Immutable what are? We can change or not. Immutable we can't change and mutable we can change. This is the list. Okay. In a square bracket, append remove method with list we can use dictionary key pair value. Like in this way, in curly braces, some name value, other name value. It means field key value. Immutable object can be changed after creation. For example, list, dictionary, set, byte array. If we learned about the list is ordered, mutable, iterable. Store a collection of items that can change, add, remove, update. For example, in square bracket we can use and we can understand the key features of the list like ordered, mutable, index, allow duplicate. Yes, heterogeneous can store different data type. Append, insert, remove, pop, sort we can use with list. In Python, set is unordered collection of unique एलिमेंट्स. लेकिन अभी लिस्ट पढ़ के आए हो, डुप्लीकेसी पॉसिबल है? अलाउड डुप्लीकेट यस. किसके अंदर? लिस्ट के अंदर. सेट में पॉसिबल नहीं है. सेट अलाउ नहीं करता डुप्लीकेसी को. ठीक है, तो ये चीजें हैं कि अनऑर्डर्ड, म्यूटेबल, कैन नॉट कंटेन डुप्लीकेट वैल्यू, कैन नॉट कंटेन म्यूटेबल एलिमेंट लाइक लिस्ट एंड अदर सेट्स. ठीक है, तो ये चीजें हैं सेट के बारे में. करली ब्रेसेस के अंदर इनिशलाइज करते हैं, देन जो है हम सेट मेथड का भी यूज कर सकते हैं और इनको प्रिंट करने के लिए इस टाइप से ब्रैकेट के अंदर प्रिंट कर सकते हैं. इस टाइप से यूनियन में यूज कर सकते हैं, इंटरसेक्शन में यूज कर सकते हैं, डिफरेंसेस में यूज कर सकते हैं. दो लिस्ट का सिमेट्रिक डिफरेंसेस निकाल सकते हैं, सेट मेथड का यूज कर सकते हैं. तो ये डिफरेंट वे है, बट इन दिस वे वी कांट यूज. ओके, immutable object can't be changed. For example, int, float, bool, str, tuple, frozen set, bytes. Like in this way. What is this string? And another string we can add. Now MCQ. What is the correct sentence to define a function in Python? In this way. Which of the following is not a Python data structure? Stack. Short answer. Differences. How can we? वेस्टी स्टोर के लिए कर चुके हैं, रिसोर्सेज कर चुके हैं. एक बार फिर जो है मल्टीपल चॉइसेस देखते हैं. What is the correct file extension in Python files? py.py. Which of the following is a valid Python variable name? ये नहीं यूज कर सकते, न्यूमेरिक स्पेस नहीं दे सकते, तो ये है वेक्टर नीचे अंडरस्कोर. What will be the output of print type? क्या होगा? str. What is the output of 3 multiply high? 3 times high. Which data type is mutable in Python? Tuple. What does input function return by default? String. What is the correct sentence of a function in Python? Same above. How are the element जैसा पहले भी आ चुका है सेम वही. How are the element accessed in a list? Using square brackets. What is the output of len for कितने number of elements हैं इसके लिए? Which one is used to define a block of Python of code in Python? Indentation. ना curly braces use करते हैं ना parentheses use करते हैं. Which keyword is used for recursion in Python? Function name itself. What will be the output of bool 0? False. Which of these is a mutable data type? List. What is the default return value of a function? Does not return anything. None. Which loop is best for a fixed number of iteration? 4. Which of the following is a correct way to define a dictionary? Dictionary किस तरह से define करते हैं? Key value. ठीक है, इस टाइप से. नेक्स्ट, यहाँ पे क्या किया इसने? ब्रैकेट दे दिया. यहाँ पे क्या किया? कर्ली ब्रेसेस. Which function is used to get the number of the element in a list? Number of elements len. How do you insert in an element at the end of the list? Append method we will use. Which keyword is used to exit a loop early? Break. Which one is not a valid string operation? Subtraction. What is the result of Python -1? And which is the scope of local variable inside the function where it is defined? Which method convert string to upper method? What will be the range to 6? 2, 3, 4, 5 तक. Less than 6. Less than 6. Next, these are the short question. What are the key features of that make Python a popular scripting language? Write a Python function to check whether a number is even or odd. Differentiate between list and tuple with examples. What are the global and local variable in Python? Explain with code. Write a Python program to find a factorial of a number using recursion. Explain the concept. Explain the concept of mutability in Python with suitable examples. How does input works in Python? How can it be used to read integers? Write a Python function to return a largest number from the list. Explain the use of the dictionary Python. Give an example. What is the difference between break and continue statement in loops? Give examples. अब ये आंसर के साथ में दिए हुए, आप इनको स्टॉप करके और पढ़ कर सकते हो कि किस टाइप से जो है ये क्वेश्चन कर रखे हैं. ठीक है, तो हमने सारा कुछ रिवाइज किया हुआ है. आप इस पे जो है एक बार स्टॉप करो और पढ़ो कि कैसे क्या आंसर राइट किए हुए हैं, तो आपको बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग होगी. और जो टॉपिक्स आपकी समझ में नहीं आए हैं उनको और एक्सप्लोर आप कर सकते हैं. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.